Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. This video isn't all that, but it is a little bit of information. When you import something or anything, bring it in, and we'll go to my little thumb drive where I just have a few. And if you import this clip art, just hit import and then put it in there. If you have a bunch of stuff on your page and you accidentally don't have that item selected when you grab the crop tool and you crop it, everything on your page disappears. Of course, you can always go back. It's not that big a deal. But I learned today there's another way you can do it, just playing around. Go to File and Import and go down to that fish. And before you hit import, hit this arrow right here and crop and load. You can pre-crop it. I don't really know the big time advantage for it, but it is kind of cool. Um, and I guess you could whatever and hit OK and then crop and you just have that fish. And then of course after you trace it, there's still another way to get that stuff out of there. We've done plenty of videos on that. You can crop around that with the shape tool and even more define it. As long as you don't get rid of some of the fish, like right there, you could make another. And then when you bring that up, then you just have the fish to deal with when you trace a bitmap. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.